Good afternoon, students. We are meeting after such a long time, and I hope you all are in good health. Here, as we have this come across with some writing section, I have put up some matter on writing section like how a student should be able to write a complete formal letter, and for that what urgent things one or any student should bear in their minds, that I have highlighted. So you must try to understand this, and hopefully you all will copy it and will submit it to me for its checkup and all. You kindly go through this formal letter section. Here I have put up letter. It is of two types: formal or informal. Formal means official or any government or departmental letter, or then informal. Informal means personal or unofficial letter. So hence a letter writing is or can be of two types: formal or informal, like that. And this formal letter section, how a person should be able to, or a student should be able to write in a proper manner, that I have all those important points I have mentioned it here right now for you all to understand it wisely. Before writing, you must keep it in mind. Here these points are: number one, first the sender's address. Like I have to write, so I have to write my address at first place. Then I will write the second thing, the date. That date which refers the action or that event. That current date should be mentioned here. Like then receiver's address, to whom the letter is concerned. Like any authority, if any authority is concerned, then we have to put that those matters with their right designation also. So I have written it. Receiver means the people who will be receiving our letters. So this receiver's address full with post or designation or rank, that is to whom the letter is concerned. Like this, then you have to mention the subject very briefly. Like you have to indicate the subject only, as because these higher authorities have got less and lesser time with them to undergo with all those current letters. So only they refer current this subject briefing of the whole letter, that you have to indicate it very briefly, or a short indication should be there, like light problem, like my absent leave, like that. Then comes the salutation. Like you have to tell them, you have to very politely you have to use the word sir or madam if opposite sex is there, is female. Then the madam will be there, like that. So then comes the main body, or this structure of the this letter. This fully expressed with word limit. We have to see that our letter must fall within the prescribed or this given word limit. So we must not exceed our word limit to while elaborating or expressing any event. We must be under that limit. And then comes some complimentary notes, like I am grateful or I am obliged, like that. Then comes subscription, like it is the end point of the formal letter, like yours sincerely, obediently, truly, like that. Then comes signature part. Your name will be in capital or full, or you belong to some group. You should name your group, like that. Here you should name those groups. And then comes, if any supporting document you have to show to the required authorities, that you need to mention in the same main letter, and that will be attached here. Details of enclosures or supporting documents, if any, that should be attached with matlab this the other page is required for that document part. So altogether I have mentioned all important point for you to write your formal letters very wisely and very intelligently. And I hope you will copy it fully. Now I will put up one informal letter tomorrow or day after, or formal letter. There you will find all these things mentioned properly in proper way. Okay, fine. Thank you. Bye.